Hi, today I will be showing you how to fix froze applications on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do leave a like and subscribe. So I will be showing you a few methods today on how to simply fix these froze applications on Windows. First is you have to go to your search menu and then search for Task Manager. Click Open. Now, if an application here is not functioning well, you need to right-click and end task. So when app freezes, it stops responding to your mouse clicks or keyboard. Basically, it's stuck. So Task Manager helps you to force it to close without restarting your whole computer. So all you have to do is to look for that. For example, Epic Launcher, or let's just say your Excel is not functioning well or it freezes all the time. So you need to right-click and end task. Task Manager also helps you monitor what's going on. You can see which programs are using the most resources and manage startup apps. Now, the next method here that I'm going to show you to fix this problem is just go again to your search menu, go to settings, and then this time what you're going to do here is you have to simply look for update and security. Now you need to scroll down here and then tap on troubleshoot. Now here you have to scroll down again and then select or click additional troubleshooter. Scroll down here and then look for program compatibility troubleshooter. Tap on. Now what you're going to do is you have to run the troubleshooter here and you will see this. So basically it will help you run older software that might not work properly on your current version of Windows. So it will detect compatibility issues. It scans the program to see if it is made for an older version of Windows like Windows 7 or so on. And it also applies compatibility settings automatically. So select that specific program or specific application here. And then after that, you just have to simply run the program with the administrator rights. Then it will help you test the program. After that, you can apply the fixes. It helps you test the program to see if it works. After that, if the program runs fine after testing, you can choose to save those settings permanently. Okay, and as you can see, it's now working. Now, the last method here that I'm going to show you in order for you to fix froze applications in Windows is to just basically locate that specific application. So let's just say my OBS Studio is not working well. You need to right click, go to compatibility, and then run this. For example, if you're using Windows 8, you have to select that one and then run this as administrator. Click apply and then click OK. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.